It will be waking up when the window man jam when they have a video, Mother Mario. Our mama happy new year. Mama said regarding all those attack Evangelist Ebuka Obi face and some of the framing up and what she also passed through in the hand of people. For the national money yokuka bikages and kenke kita kodekwan.
This is year one and only Mother Mario. How are you? How are you enjoying your new year? I believe this year will be better than last year. I greet you, all Zionites, all people of God, children of God the Eternal Father, my beloved followers from all over the world. I greet you. I decided to do this video because of another message I got from somebody this morning. Long message. And the message was about Bro Buka Obi. Okay. First of all, I heard about how some people was planning to frame him up, to accuse him of so many things. And they said that the way they planned it is such that everybody, at least 80% of people will believe it. You know, sometimes there may not be a witness over something. But when 7, 8, 9 people are saying the same thing, oh my God, you're going to believe them. You're going to believe them. But not for people like me. You can't change me. You can't make me to believe evil because I've been a victim. Me, Mother Mario, I've been a victim where 6 sisters, 6, framed me up, stood before my superior and lied against me, framed me up. But today, I thank the Almighty God. I was set free from the accusation. And the 6 of them are nobody today. They are nobody. So when you try to destroy somebody, when you try to assassinate somebody's character, think of the karma, the nemesis. Because it's not everybody who can do things and get away with it. That's why I was playing this music, Don't Fight Grace. Because when you fight grace, grace will disgrace you. So, I saw the testimony from one man, in the Zion Grand, telling how it all happened through the wife and everything. If you go online, you'll see it. But my question is, the people trying to frame Ebuka up, my question is why? Why do you want to frame somebody up? Why do you want to lie against somebody? Excuse me? I'm just thinking, I'm just wondering. See, you don't like somebody. You don't like what somebody is doing. What are you supposed to do? Is it not to look and pass? Or block the person? Or don't even talk about the person? Go your way and leave the person alone. But no. My Igbo people no go do that. They can't do that. They will fight you. You are not better. Your life is not even better. I tell people, somebody living in the glass house, don't throw stone. You are living in a glass house and you are throwing stone. You that feel that you lose nothing, you want to destroy somebody. Remember, you are doing business somewhere and people there may accuse you. Remember, you are working somewhere. Remember, you are from a family. Remember that you are still in this society where anybody can still harm you. So, what do you want to achieve by trying to assassinate somebody's character? You don't like this person, maybe has not done you anything. You don't even know the person, have not even met the person before. Even sometimes, maybe somebody working with you. You are not an angel, you are not God. You happen to offend the person, and the person goes away, either from your ministry. Because most people that leave ministries, they fight that ministry. When people leave a ministry, or even a religious congregation, or even a desk, or even the church, they fight that place they live, instead of living in peace. If I live here, I live in peace. If I'm with you, and I decide to leave, or you send me away, I'm telling you, I believe that I will do better out there, and I will go in peace. I will not talk bad about you. But everybody is not Mother Mario. Yes. Because when you reject me, when you put me away, when you offend me, when you are treating me bad, you feel you are my God. And when I go, I will tell you are not my God. I'll tell you I'll get my God who is okay with me. God will give me another person in life that will make me smile again. So, back to my question again. You want to destroy somebody's ministry because you are not happy with the person, because you don't like what that person is doing. Is it everything you are doing that people like? Even your own mother that born you, it's not everything you do your mother like, or your father, or your wife, or your husband. Even your child, it's not everything you do that your child like. So you must not like what I'm doing. If you don't like what I do, what I say, why not leave me alone and go? Yes. If you don't like, this is what I was saying some time ago when I saw people, trying to assassinate Ebuka's character and his ministry on social media. I told them to leave him alone. They're not his God. Leave him alone. And you're not the authority, you're not in the right position to talk about him or to fight him. Leave authorities to do their job. So, why continue trying to find a way to shut him down? You don't like what he's doing, right? And all you want to do is, what can you do to shut him down? And when you shut him down, are you going to take over the ministry? Even if God decide to call him today and he go, are you the next of kin? Are you the emergency contact person? Are you the one the ministry gonna be handed over? I don't know. The time I was speaking for Bro Buka, telling people to leave him alone, I got the highest kind of assassination of character, blackmail I've never seen anybody go through in life. It was done on me just because I said, leave Bro Buka alone. A whole page on social media picked me up. People were testing me. People were calling my family. People were calling my friends. Anybody that knows me, telling them all sorts of things to tell me to leave Bro Buka alone. What is going on in the behind? Now, let me say this. I did not only face persecution in the hands of those that don't want me to defend Bro Buka, but I experienced a terrible, what's the best word for it? Will I say heartbreak? Will I say assassination of character? Will I say disgrace? From somebody that claims to be close to Bro Buka. The person, without seeing me for the first time even, hated me. The person fought me. and told me even face to face on the phone, even in a group, he said, stop talking about Brother Ebuka on the social media. He doesn't want me to talk about Brother Ebuka Obi on the social media. Just because he can't do it. He feels that with his position in the church, he can't talk about it publicly. And then he started feeling that by me talking about Brother Ebuka, his position around Brother Ebuka is being threatened. He feels I'm interested in his position. As per what? How? He even went as far as telling me, Afro, you are not a Zionite. Yeah? He fought me. He tried to disgrace me. He even told those he told and said it even to me that my congregation is fake. He fought. I don't want to call his name, but maybe one day I'm gonna do it. Maybe very soon I'm gonna call his name and then tell you people what exactly happened between me and him. And what do you want Brother Buka to do? But I want to tell him once again, or his group, the way people fight those that they don't like, those they feel that is taking their position. I'm not interested in anybody's position in life. I live my life. Those that, my close friends are those I have known for the past 20-something years. I don't have any new friend in my life. I don't have any close friend I don't know in less than 20 years. I know my friends knows me. They know what I can do. They know anybody that knows me from my family, and the last one knows me as somebody that hates injustice. That hates where things are not being done the right way. I will speak out. I think I like Megide. If I see you maltreating somebody or bringing somebody down or assassinating somebody's character, that's where you see Mother Mario speak. I don't care who it is. Even if the person is a Muslim, the person is a Pentecostal, the person is a Catholic, I don't care. But as long as you are trying to bring down somebody who did nothing to you and I look into it, you see Mother Mario speaking. I spoke Brother Ebuka Obi without ever meeting him. And I still want to tell you people, I still want to tell the whole world, I still want to tell you, Oga, that is fighting me, that think, Nanaragi, I don't know. I don't know what you want to benefit. But when I go to your page on Facebook, I don't even see you talking about Brother Buka. I don't even see you. You just want to use him to shine. Because it's about him you are shining on social media. Because you have nothing to offer us. I've been in this, I did mass communication and I've been in this Facebook for the past 12 years. I just got to know about Brother Buka last year. I'm not here to boast. I've helped a lot of people like you, Oga. Yes. Even to grow ministries. I know what God gave me. I know the gift God gave me. I leave my ministry to help other ministries. Because all I care is about God. I have a call. I know what I do. But I leave mine to help others. Where I can help, I help. Because my interest is God. I don't do follow. I'm not looking for money. I'm just a simple nun trying to work for God. So, I still want to say that for the first time, I've never ever seen Brother Ebuka Obi. When we had, when the Zion group did evangelical outreach here, I was there live. But I have not yet gone for Bro Buka's program in Nigeria. Guess what? I long to go. I would have been there this Christmas, but I didn't travel home for Christmas. I will go. I visit ministries. I've gone to Father Ebemonso's ministry in UK many times. When I go to Nigeria, I've gone to Father Mbaka's ministry many times. I've gone to many ministries. As long as it is Catholic oriented, I'll go. I'll pray. I encourage people. So, nke Bro Buka Madiche. Can you believe that people have been calling me, telling me all sorts of things against Bro Buka? That I should stop supporting him. I should stop talking about him. This morning, a woman tested me. Long story, I believe the person is a woman. Because the name Ugo should be woman now. So, he was telling me all sorts of nonsense against Bro Buka. And you people should stop this, or else I'll start posting you on my social media. If you text me again or drop voice message, I'll call your name, unless you're using fake. That name is not a fake account. They're not fake account. I'll post it on my social media. I'll tell who you are. You feel you're advising me? Am I a baby? What do you think you're advising me for? To stop talking about brother? Since this year, have you seen me talking about him? Because they're not fighting him again. So what am I talking to? Like, Amonyara, am I a mad woman that for no reason I'll start talking? If you give me a reason to talk, I talk. The other day, I posted something, somebody came there and wrote, thank God you are no longer talking about Bro Buka. And I said, because you people are no longer disturbing him. So I have no reason to talk. If you people start, I will start. It's just like since this week, I posted our mother Mary. Nne Mary, afọ Jesu. I posted my picture with name Mary. Come and see fire on my page. People started abusing me, insulting Mary, insulting even Jesus Christ. They said Mary will cement in my page. And when I curse you out, people will say, this sister, why are you doing that? You expect me to keep you quiet when you are insulting my mama Mary, my Savior Jesus Christ, and you can afford to come and insult me on my page. You come here and insult me, you carry cross. You carry your own cross or cross. Because Mother Mary is watching you, and Lord is watching you. Statue of Our Lady. We Catholics, we do not worship Mary. And I want to say it again. We do not worship Mary. We honor Mary. We honor Mother Mary. My mom is late. My dad is late. I have their pictures in my room. Sometimes when I feel bad, I remember, especially my dad, and I will be like, I can kiss their picture. I have big poster of my dad because I'm daddy's baby. Sometimes I go, I hug my daddy. Am I worshiping him? If I can kiss my daddy and my mom's picture, hug them, if I have the money, I'll make a statue of my mother and my father. Or if somebody can do them for me in our house, I'll be grateful. So, what is bad with it? That we have an image of the Blessed Virgin Mary. And I take picture with it. Why are you bothered? But you go and call the wife of your pastors mommy. But when I call Mother Mary mommy, you are angry. You sure the game, ma? Are you okay? Some of you there here. Common sickness, little sickness. Kidney problem, shake again. Iwariwana ministries. But you're here abusing even Jesus Christ. Cancer, Basa Gakana, Church Abasa. Orona Mother Mario, can I talk to you? Can you help me reach Bro Buka? Let me tell you, stop longing to be somebody's favorite. Go and update yourself. Some of you don't have job. It's just like the person. Na hot which I don't even know whether he lied against me to brother. But I trust brother now. Onwe time. Onwe time. Fuchando na fu coffee gas. You know? Gabaru onwe guru. At your level, can't you find your own ministry? Can't God use you? You are fighting for, I don't know, because over him gepu na mano nyem neku. I chomp kono mano nyo, but to whom it may concern. Go and find your own ministry, and stop fighting for position. Na ministry on also. You are fighting for position. Na bo onyozo, na business onyozo, ihero na emegi, shame on you. Iji onyozo aza. Ga make enu name kegi, you claim you are this, you studied this, you have been this, you have been that. Ine de cheki, mana ego adiho na account gi, ka ho ego. You are writing a check without money in the bank. Is that one money? Yeah? It was white, it's not white. It was white. It's not white. Stop using other people's business to shine. People talk about Bro Buka, they get followers. Let me tell you, even when I talk about Bro Buka, that's when I lose followers, because I know the kind of followers I have. Check the number of followers in well. Whenever I talk about Bro Buka, that's even when I lose followers. So I'm not using Bro Buka to shine. No, rather I am answering my call. I am doing what God asked me to do. I am doing what God asked me to do. I can defend anybody. I can fight for anybody. I can help anybody. I can do anything for anybody. Most of the widows I beg money to give, they're Muslims. They're not even Christians too. Those of them in the north, in different places that terrorists are killing and doing all sorts of things. Then they in the Fulani herdsmen they disturb. Some of them that I helped, I don't need to put it on the social media. Many of them are not even Christians. For years, for more than 10 years, I had women of grace I work with. It's like an association. I don't even advertise it. I think I'm going to advertise it because we need more members now for the work of evangelization. So if you're a woman, I don't care your denomination, you can join us. We live to show an exemplary life to the women of this generation, many of them that wants to be naked. Before your child, you are naked. You are not ashamed. And people will follow you. People will love you. People will like you. People will hear you. A married woman, a mother of a child being naked, going to party, going on the street. And people, this generation, this wicked generation, oh my God. And when you want to talk, somebody will come to your DM to insult you. I have right to love who I want to love. I have that freedom. I have the freedom of relating with whoever I want to relate. I have the freedom to go to church where I want to go. I have the freedom. I have the freedom to take care of myself. Self-love. Make myself happy. One life to live. What is your problem? If you don't love Mother Mario, that's okay. That's fine. You don't have to love me. But don't harm me. You don't have to love me. But don't assassinate my character. Don't fight me. Don't insult me. Go your way. I can do without you. As friends, you can go, and I can do without you. Haters, you can go. We can do without you. Stop all this blackmailing. Stop buying hatred, connecting hatred, making people. By you telling me the things you people are telling me about brother, I won't even start calling brother to start telling him, look at what they said about you. For what? Because I know they are rubbish. What you're saying is not. One said, I have known him for the past 20 years. But Mario, you may not know. Woo! I can only listen to you if Brother Buka is Jesus or is God. If it's Jesus or God, whom I know is not supposed to commit sin, then I can listen to you and say, wow, why? But as long as Ebuka Obi is a human being with blood rushing on his blood, I'm not interested in your story. So stop. If you know that I will not curse you out, don't come to my DM again to talk nonsense. Don't come to my inbox to tell me nonsense about somebody. I'm not interested. I don't know. I don't jealous because I'm a monyembo. Why will I jealous you? Oh my kamo, ko ogunoge kamo, ko mpumpe kamo, ko ibu kamo. Why will I jealous you? Why? So stop jealousing people. Many of you millionaires, who millionaires out there, I don't even see what you're not even helping people with your money. The other day, a post room na page him for those who want to join my congregation. Ofu onye kwa, onye ahụ kwa, onye nwannu. Abieba derem ebelebe, and people started insulting that person. Nso no hapụ kwa onye ahụ aka. Ọbụrụkwa onye ahụ bụ onye m na-ekwu. Ekwubu before. So, do you have to come to my page to comment that? If I come to your page to also do that, chilling there I am nine, followers and say angwa ka iga na nke ega megwara, how will you feel? If you na page me dere me belebe. Mkpo ga afa kita si Mother Mario, why are you calling them? Lapkwan maka. Lapkwan maka. Adima achọkwa okwu, achọkwana m okwu. Ọkwụnụ fụ ka nsi wee zukwa ike sinsi. Unu sikwa nzu ike kịta unu achọrọkwa na mbịa. Unu si mu zuo ike. Gagwa ndị be anyị sisi gwa m na mu zuo ike. esukwana m ike unu aka na-achọkwa m na-achọzine m maka ihe unu chọkwa m unu ya achọtakwa. Yes, just like nna dị agwa ụmụ nwaanyị na-aga na fonu di ha, ị gaa na fonu di gị ihe ahụ ị na-achọ ị ga-ahụkwa ya. So before ị ga-adịkwa ready kwado ihe ị chọrọ ime before na-aga maka na ihe ahụ ị chọrọ ịhụ ị ga-eme gịnị ị ga-ahụ ya. So ị na-abịa ịchọ m okwu, especially if you are coming to my inbox, be ready ihe m ga-eme gị na my inbox. Maka na America onye nọ na BA na-eji egbe, ị chọrọ ya bata ọgbagbuo gị. Oyipụbakwa abụba ijide onye bịa ka ọ chọrọ gị ka o mee gị ihe ọjọọ, iburu ụzọ mee ihe ọjọọ, nwere ife ya eme gị ma jenga. Yes. So, ọ bụkwana ka ọha m, don't fight grace. Nobody can take away my joy from me. It has been my secret. Eji m ejidesie ya aka ike. Don't trust nobody in this world. That's part of the secret. Don't expect anything from anybody. If it comes, fine. If you dash me $1 now, I'll thank God and say, really? Can it be possible? I'm not expecting it from nobody. That's why I work hard. Work hard in life. Expectations are not good. Expectations are not good. Entitlement is not good. You feel entitled. Hey, okwesiri mere m nka, okwesiri mere m nka. It is, I don't expect anything from anybody. I did my silver jubilee. There are people who are supposed to celebrate my jubilee. They're supposed to give me something. They didn't give me. And it's no surprise to me because I live not to hope on anybody. Somebody by the side may see, oh, I'm na he bilegi nka, he nyere nka, he nyere nka. I'm not expecting anything from anybody. Nobody's owing me. My parents who born me in this world are supposed to train me. They are gone. And they did their job very well for having a beautiful daughter for Jesus. Share this message. May God bless you all. You know, I always love you, my fans. And ask the good Lord to protect you from the eyes of the evil ones, from those who will destroy you, who will assassinate your character, who will give you different bad names, who will want your position. Let me tell you, if you take my position, Ogu Noya and Ogu Angatoke. That Ogu will keep you uncomfortable. You can't take my position. Nobody takes my position. I have my position. God gives everybody his or her position in this world. If you try to take another person's own with your gossip, with your blackmail, with your power, your money power or whatever, I get sorry. Especially when you meet people like Mother Mario. God bless you. Bye. I love you all.